Here we are again, my friends, with the items I confiscated from my 6th grade students today. Here we have a calculator, which was being used as a fake phone. All fun and games, until it was chucked across the room at another student, and then the student who threw it yelled, "Why didn't you answer?" Here we have a pencil sharpener, and as you'll notice, it's empty. It's empty because the student kept sharpening everyone's pencils, and then dumping out the contents and screaming, "It's a splinter blizzard." Then we have a very snazzy pair of sunglasses that, for whatever reason, became a game of monkey in the middle, and they were asked several times to stop throwing them. And lastly, we have one lonely loom man. I think this trend is finally dying.